Recently, ServiceNow has released 8 new applications to help companies manage the COVID-19 crisis and to assist them with the reopening of their offices. These apps assist in areas like getting the health status of an employee, tracking the employee's temperature when they arrive at the office, and having a space or facilities manager assign shifts and workplace area reservations for employees. When speaking to our customers, it was clear that the biggest concern with reopening was understanding who was coming to the office, making sure that those individuals were not sick, and ensuring occupancy in the building did not exceed the current maximum capacity set by the company or the state. In Massachusetts, as an example, Phase 1 allows business offices to reopen. However, the maximum number of persons allowed in the office must be limited to 25% of that building's normal maximum capacity. Our customers needed a simple solution to let their employees and contractors request access to buildings for specific dates and make sure the individual knew if they would be allowed in the building due to capacity constraints before they even arrived in the lobby. In response to these conversations, EchoStore has released our Return to Work application and can be downloaded at no charge from ServiceNow's Share website. The application simply leverages a service catalog request and ties into ServiceNow's emergency outreach application to ask for an employee's current health status when they will be visiting an office location. There are no custom tables created, and Return to Work was built with rapid adoption in mind. This can be easily rolled out for customers with simple configurations driven by system properties. The concept is simple. A user requests access to a company's location on a given date and is provided a tentative approval for the visit as long as there is availability. If the number of requests for that date exceed the current allowed maximum capacity, the user can still enter a request, but an approval will be needed to allow the user to visit. This may mean another user's access will be declined depending on their reason for visiting and prioritization of the visit requests. When the date arrives, the user will be sent a health questionnaire to determine if they are cleared to visit the office or not. The request process begins by the user filling out the building access request from their desktop, laptop, or mobile device. Each location that is available for on-site visits will be shown with the currently allowed max capacity, which may differ building by building. For instance, our Massachusetts office may only allow 25% max allowed capacity today, but our New Hampshire office may allow 50%. By selecting a date, I am told if there is space available or if the building is full, and additional approval will be needed. It is a simple property change to control whether the user sees the actual remaining number of slots or just told if the building is full or not. Upon submission, a company's facility or security staff will have access to a dashboard for seeing who is cleared to enter the building, who still needs to answer the questionnaire, or who is not cleared and will need to be sent home if they did indeed arrive. Knowing whether a user is cleared to visit or not is driven by the response they submit to the emergency outreach notification, controlled by a system property for what responses are considered clear. The actual response from the user is kept confidential in the emergency outreach application, and the facilities and security staff would not see those details. Since reopening is such a fluid and ever-evolving situation, Return to Work was built to allow for easy updates to what locations are currently available to visit and what the allowed capacities are for each without the need to update code. This data is managed in your out-of-the-box location table, so no additional maintenance or data normalization is required. For more information, please visit us at echostore.com or email us at servicenow@echostore.com. Thank you.